Konnichiwa, watashi no tomodachi tachi. I'm Vanilla Blushes desu yo, and Watashi is here today to teach you all how to make really cool characters that everyone is going to love. I've been making characters for a very long time. I'm a bit of a professional at it, I guess you could say. And the characters that I'm making today are going to be a lot more detailed than the ones in my anime Maria Anne Sharpie, which I'll link in the description below. You should totally go watch it. And, the reason that they're going to be a lot more detailed is because I don't have to animate them. Okay, so I think a good way to start is to start by discussing, what would make a good character. And there's only really two ways you can make a character interesting and actually likable, and that is either by one, making them relatable, or two, by giving them a super specific interest. For example, my character Darkun from my anime Maria Anne Sharpie is both because he likes communism. So I've picked a super specific interest for my character, and that is jewelry, and I've decided since she likes jewelry, she's really rich, so she can afford all the jewelry that she really likes. So I think a good way to start there is think about rich people, they tend to be very mature, so she's going to be a very mature woman. And so mature women wear a lot of makeup, so I'm going to give her lots and lots of eyelashes because she has like really expensive mascara and lots of it. So, there we go. She's looking very mature. And then we go, we'll draw in some eyes for her. No use having jewelry if you can't see it. And then I'll draw in her nose. And mature people tend to not express a lot of emotion, so we're just gonna make her all neutral. Oh, whoops, made her look sad. Neutral. There we go. Nice straight line for her mouth. Okay, so as you can see, I've given her a nice mature bun. And I've also given her a lot of necklaces, earrings, and a tiara because those are expensive. And, since she's a mature woman, I think she's going to have a very mature body, she's going to look like really mature. And, since she's rich, she's going to be able to afford like a designer dress, I think. So I'm just going to draw that in now. What's a designer brand? Oh, I know. Gucci. There we go, she has a Gucci dress. And I'm just going to draw the rest of that in. She's mature. Whoops, there we go. I'll give her a belt. And there we go. What sort of shoes should she have? No, high heels. Those cost a lot of money, right? There we go. And now I need to give her some arms. And I think I'll give her bracelets. Oh, we need to give her bracelets. She really likes like jewelry, remember? So lots of that. And lots of bracelets on this side too. And give her some hands and a ring on every finger, because she can afford it. Wow, I wish I had a lot of jewelry like this. She's looking very pretty with it all. There we go. And look at that. Right, there we go. That's our first design. Isn't she pretty? Yeah. As you can see, she looks very rich. She's got diamonds and gold in her Gucci dress. Anyone could totally look at her and know she's super rich and she loves her jewelry. Okay, so I did a little bit of drawing off camera so I could get through this one a little faster. And for this next character, I thought we could make an ultra kawaii magical girl. So I've started by drawing really big eyes with not too many eyelashes, because everyone knows the bigger the eyes, the more kawaii the character. So I'm gonna give her like kawaii like ponytails, right? And like bows, yeah. I better erase some of the head here, it's gonna get in the way of the hair I'm drawing. There we go, and give her little bows like so. And give her bangs. Oh, she's looking adorable already. Okay, so, what else is cute? Let's have a dress that goes up to like here and has like little frills. And it can have frills down here too. And I think we should put frills in more places. Frills are really cute, you know. People think frills are cute. I think they're cute too. There we go. And give her a belt here with lots of frills. And like a huge bow at the back. Bows and frills are really good for magical girls. And when people see those, they instantly know, oh, it's a magical girl. And so, you know, her interest is obviously going to be magical girls because she is one. And, you know, so we're going to make that really obvious to everyone who's looking at it. Let's see, oh, what could be cute? Let's give her like some straps there. And that dress can go like this. And she's a magical girl, right? So we gotta give her like a wand. Oh, let's see. Give her like a bow wand. And it's magical so it can float. Oh, that brush was too thick. There we go. And it's got a bow at the top. Doesn't have to be symmetrical. Have little handly bits. There we go. That's cute. Let's give her some more bows. That's very nice. Some thigh-high stockings. Those are always really cute. Give a couple of stripes, like so. How about we give them some vertical stripes too? Yeah, that'll be like really interesting. You know, you can do things that people don't expect, and then they'll think, "Wow, what an interesting character," and they won't forget it. So I'm going to give her some vertical stripes on her socks, and then some cute little strap heels. I reckon those would be nice. I saw a pair on eBay that I really liked, but Mum said I couldn't have them, so I'll just draw them here. There we go. And I can't forget to make those stripes go all the way through, otherwise those wouldn't exactly be socks, would they? There we go. I'm going to add a few more accessories, I think. And there we go, added a couple of accessories and I colour it all in. So I used really bright colours because she's a bright, happy person. There's pinks, of course, because all the best magical girls have pink. And she has the power of like cute things like bows and frills. So she has her little bow wand there. And I think she's really adorable. I really wish I had an outfit like this. It's so cute. So I think for the last one, since we just designed two lovely girls, a kawaii magical girl and a mature rich woman, I think what we're going to do now is make a hot ikemen dude. So, let's see. I think the best piece of advice I can give when drawing guys is don't give them eyelashes, because guys don't have eyelashes and girls do. So just give them like, if you feel uncomfortable with that, just give them like a big upper eyelid like that, and then they look like a dude. See, looks like a guy. I see a lot of people drawing eyelashes on guys. It's really weird because they don't have those. There we go. And hot people don't smile, so he's gonna be frowning and looking kind of mad. Yeah, there we go. People are gonna love that. Okay, so the next thing you should probably think about doing is going in and giving him a really cool hairstyle, something edgy and spiky, kind of like this. Yeah. And I'll just go in with that. He's gonna look so cool. Yeah. So I'll just go and draw his neck. Now, with dudes, people like ripped dudes, so, I think I'm going to give him some abs. How many is the number that people have? I think it's 8. Let's go and give him an 8-pack, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hachi, there we go. And let me think, what else? Doesn't exactly need a shirt, does he? There we go. And so when it comes to guys, people find it like really hot when they're mysterious, and I don't think there's anything more mysterious than making them secretly a supernatural thing, like a werewolf or a vampire, or in Darkwind's case it was a Japanese samurai ninja warrior, a demon. And let's see, some shoes. Converse are in, right? Like sneakers? Yeah, those are cool. There we go. Got the logo on the side. And he's gotta have muscles, right? So you need to study anatomy if you want to be like any good at, you know, drawing people who may not be wearing a shirt like this. And that's gonna take a lot of time, but it's something you really have to do, and you have to get it right with basically all your characters, or people are gonna think like them having like really short legs or really thin twiggy arms is like part of the character design, so you have to be really careful about that sort of thing, you know? There we go. And so, what should this dude be? I think he's gonna be a werewolf secretly, so I'll give him some ears. Like so. And a tail. Bushy tail. Like that. There we go. And you see, this is already like a character that a lot of people would really love. They can already tell that there's something mysterious going on. He's not quite human. And so I think I'm gonna go in and colour this now. And there we go, we have our super ultra hot ikemen dude, who is a werewolf. And as you can see, he's super cool. He's got like dark and mysterious colours going on, and I know that everyone is just going to love him. Okay, so that takes watashi to the end of this design tutorial, and I just know you guys are now going to make some super Sugoi characters. And if you make any, please send me a link to them or something, because I'd really like to, like, you know, take a look at them and maybe make a video, like, telling you what I think about them and giving you like some more tips and stuff, because obviously it would take hours and hours and hours to teach you, like maybe even like weeks and years to teach you all the stuff I've learned about character design. So yeah, I hope this really helped, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye, sayonara.